very sad. Low-lying areas in New York were flooded, and water reached even up to the first floors of the some of the apartments, trapping the people on the ground floor, and many of them died. So sad, unfortunate. The nature's fury. Man can plan the things, but nature sometimes destroys even after the best planning. So wake up call for such incidents and some safety measures in the low-lying areas for New York. Thank you. Sharing with you all as the report I saw in the Hindustan Times on this 3rd of September. I felt bad for the people who get trapped in the water like this, even at a place like New York.